Good morning, everyone. I am Yogita Lokhande. I am learning in 8th standard. My school name is ZP Primary School Dharmapuri. My guides are respected Fulvare sir, respected Basue sir, and respected Vimal ma'am. My topic is my mother. So, friends, let's start now. My mother's name is Kaveri Lakshman Lokhande. She is the most special person in my life. She is my first teacher, my first friend, and first guide of my life. A mother is like a god because she always loves us without any condition. My mother is light of our home and strength of our family. My mother wakes up early in the morning every day. Before everyone gets up, she started her work. She cleaned the home, cook food, and take care of every family member. She works the whole day, but she never complained to anyone. When she not felt better, then also she work for us. Her hard work is teaches me the value of responsibility. My mother love me more than anyone in this world. When I make a mistakes, then she correct me with love. She always say to me, become a good person and success in life. Guys, all mothers sacrifice many things for her children and forget her dreams and thinks only about her family. Sometimes she stay hungry but gives food to her children first, and it's called she teaches mother. Me good manners. She tells me to speak true, respect elders, help others, and work hard. She always say that honesty and kindness are the greatest wealth in a life. Because of her teaching, tell me how to become better human. Whenever I faced difficult times, my mother gives me support. She tells me never fear to problems. She say every problem has a solution. If we stay calm and work hard, then we got solution of the problems. Her words give me confidence. My mother is not only my parent, she is my best friend too. I can share my feelings with her. She listens to me carefully and give me the best way. That's why I saying she is my best friend. And the most important thing that I want to tell you, my mother's hands are magical. When she touches our head with love, then all workload become less. When she hugs us, we feel safe. Her blessings are the biggest support in our life. I can never repay my mother for what she has done for me. No gifts can match her love. No words can describe her greatness. I only want to make her proud by my study, and I know that one day I will become a collector and make my mother proud. My mother is real heroine of my life. She may not wear a crown, but she is the queen of my heart. I pray to God to keep my mother healthy, happy, and smiling forever. I want to see joy in her eyes because her happiness is my happiness. At the last, I want to say, God could not come to this earth himself to care of us. So that's why she sent to mother. Thank you everyone for watching my video and listen carefully. I am really grateful for everyone. Once again, thank you so much.